guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I feel like my channel is finally coming full circle. So today we are bringing the bento boxes back. Some of the very first videos that you guys would have seen on my channel were my school lunch ideas in a bento box. Those videos blew up. So many of them have over 1 million views, which is absolutely crazy, and I know it is one of your favorite types of videos, and I stopped doing them for a while just because I have so many videos on my channel now that have bento boxes in them. I didn't want to overwhelm people, but we are bringing them back today because the company that I have been using from the very beginning, Bento, is sponsoring today's video. I was so happy to finally be working with them officially, and they sent me some of their new designs to use in today's video. So today's video is going to be a packed lunch idea for 3 different occasions. I'm going to show you what I would personally do to pack a lunch for work/school, a road trip, and then a day out hiking or going outdoors somewhere. So that is everything I have to say for now. Let's get into the recipes. So this packed lunch idea is perfect for those days when you're maybe going out for the day, either to the beach or on a long hike, or you're just gonna be out in nature for a while and you obviously need some fuel to keep you going. So Bento not only sent me some bento boxes, but they also sent me some accessories to put with it. And obviously this one is the matching set. And I thought that this one was perfect for the outdoors theme because hello, it's so aesthetically cute and has plants on it. So when you're outdoors for a long time and you're exercising, hiking, you want something that is going to keep you fueled up. So I'm going to make little omelet cups. So if you guys have seen those, they're kind of like egg cups. They usually have like ham and cheese. I'm gonna make a vegan version with chickpea flour. They'll fill you up, they taste really good, and they don't have to be reheated. So perfect for when you are out in the woods with no microwave. The first thing you need is 3/4 cup of chickpea flour, tablespoon of nutritional yeast, teaspoon of baking powder, and then salt and pepper. Then just mix that up until it's combined. And then add 1 cup of water or plant-based milk. Then you want to divide the batter between greased or lined muffin tins. And it should make 4. And then this is the fun part, so you can add in whatever veggies or vegan meats you like. So I just have some vegan bacon that we got from the vegan butcher shop here in Halifax. So I'm gonna sprinkle in some of that. And then I'm also gonna do some red bell pepper, some chopped onion. But again, you can do whatever veggies you like as long as they're chopped nice and small. And then last, I am going to add some cheese on top. This is just some vegan mozzarella shreds. So then just bake them at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are set and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, not with any like wet batter or anything. So in here, I'm going to add some little pieces of naan bread, and then I'm going to add the little egg cups. And these are perfect. You can just use this to make almost like a little egg sandwich if you want. And then in this side, I'm going to add some trail mix, which is packed with nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and some little chocolate chips. But this is perfect. It will keep you full, and it's something that you can easily snack on while you're walking if you need to. And then some apples. Apples and trail mix is such a perfect snack. They go so well together. So this is definitely something that is going to keep you full, whether you're hiking or you're just out for the day. It's got lots of protein, carbs, and fat, and it's just a really delicious lunch. And then in the water bottle, I'll just show you guys what it looks like on the inside. It has this cute little infuser in the top, which is amazing, but you can also screw it off if you don't need it one day. So in here, I thought instead of just putting water, I'm gonna make a green juice just because, you know, if you're hiking, you want some extra hydration, some extra fuel to keep you going. So I'm just going to do a scoop of green juice powder and just fill up the rest with water. If you are going out for the day, you'll want to add some ice cubes to keep this cold, but this is insulated, so it keeps hot or cold liquids hot or cold for 12 hours, which is amazing, but I would just add some ice cubes as well. So you just want to shake it up until the powder is dissolved in the water, and then we are done. This recipe is what I would pack if I was going on a road trip and wanted a nice lunch or snacks on the go. So obviously this is gonna be something that you don't have to heat up. And then I also wanted it to be kind of just like snacky finger foods that don't make too much of a mess. And I'm using the cutest strawberry box. Guys, I am obsessed with this. It's so cute. It has an elastic that keeps it all together, and then it has this little top part, and there are cutlery sets, which you guys will see in one of the other recipes, that fit on the top here. But basically, it has the little airtight lock so that it doesn't spill. So if you have anything that's a little bit messy, then it doesn't spill. So there's the top compartment, and then in the bottom compartment, there is a little container for sauce, or if you have something like nuts or seeds, this is perfect. The first thing I think of for an easy on-the-go snack that won't create any mess is just a simple sandwich. So today we're gonna make one that I have actually been eating quite a lot for breakfast recently, but it's so good. So you are going to take a bagel. So this is just a sesame bagel. People are gonna make fun of me for the way I say bagel. And then I'm just adding some vegan cream cheese. You can also use hummus if you don't have vegan cream cheese. This one, again, is made by the butcher shop here in Halifax, and we've been getting deliveries from them. And then I just have this deli pack of cold cuts. And this is really nice. Just adding some vegan meats to your sandwich obviously is a way to keep you nice and full because they're higher in protein. So I'm just gonna do one of each. We got some pepperoni, some turkey, and some ham. So in the first box, I'm just adding the bagel sandwich. And then in this next one, I'm adding some strawberries, some vegan chocolate hazelnut spread for dipping the strawberries, and then some of these little mini cookies. Obviously, you can use whatever kind of snack food you like. You could use granola clusters, you could put in some nacho chips, but these are, pretty sure, the only accidentally vegan kind of cookies. Kind of these cookies anyway. But they're just, you know, super cute, easy to pop in your mouth, not messy. And if you want to get really crazy, you can dip these in the chocolate as well. This recipe is intended for taking to work or school, and I feel like this is the perfect time to show you the cutlery pack, because I feel like if you're going to the office, you don't want to just be eating with your hands. You want to be a little bit more refined, even if you're just eating at your desk. So the cutlery pack is going to be a lifesaver. It's so compact and cute and small, and I will show you that it fits actually in the top of the bento box. And then I also have these little sauce containers because what we are making for this recipe will need some sauce. So let's get into it. So I didn't want to do something boring for a work or school lunch, because lunch is one of the things that everyone looks forward to all day. So I had the idea to do tacos, but because these are so, you know, nice and small and compact, all we need is little mini tacos. So I found these mini tortillas. Guys, they're so small. And they're gonna just, boop, fit perfectly in this, okay? So we are going to just cook some vegan beef. We're gonna go with Beyond Meat because it has protein and it will keep you nice and full, and it tastes the most like real ground beef. We're just going to fill our little tortillas. They're so cute. And then I'm also going to do some red bell pepper and some onion. And then in the two little sauce containers, I'm going to do some taco sauce and add the lid so they don't spill. and some queso dip. And this is also from Real Fake Meats, but I have a homemade queso dip recipe, so I will link that below. And then in the second compartment, I am adding some carrot sticks and hummus for dipping. So this could be kind of like a morning snack, or it could go with this. And then I'm also just putting in a couple oatmeal cookies, and I kind of envision having this with your afternoon tea or something at your desk. But if you don't want to make some oatmeal cookies, you could also do some Bliss balls or a granola bar just broken up so that it fits inside. So here is the work or school lunch idea. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're excited that the bento boxes made a comeback. I had so much fun doing this video. These are some of my favorite videos to film. A huge thanks to Mom Bento for sponsoring this video. I will of course have the link below for you guys to check out these bento boxes. They are absolutely amazing. The quality is amazing. They're just so durable and obviously really cute. This one matches my outfit. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.